Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about screen recorder software. Yes, this is very important tutorial for every freelancer, worker, or any individual people because sometimes we need screen record for our work purpose or our project purpose. So this is very important to get a free screen record software that help us to deliver to explain everything for our project. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we want to search on Google Komodo, and then you will find this website, Komodo dex.com. Okay, so then go to the website. After that, you will see this kinds of interface like this one. Okay, so now what we can do right now, you should click the get Komodo for free. So here is the two option. Also, you if you want, you can install this software as a extension, like install Chrome extension. To use this extension for our screen recorder, so I want to click the Chrome extension. After that, I will see this kinds of interface. I think you know how can install a extension on your Chrome browser. So I want to click add to Chrome, and then I want to add to extension and to click and wait few seconds. After that, you will see the option. Okay, so now you will see the login option. I want to login or sign up with my Google account. Then I want to continue with my Google account. So this is very easy process. I think you can easily do from your computer. Okay, so this is the option. Now let's go. Okay, so here is the option. How do you want to start doing with your comedy today? Like record my screen, create step-by-step guide. There are a lot of things. Komodo is not a just like a screen recorder. You can easily edit your video or share your video with your audience, teams, or explain everything with your clients. So this is very important, I think. So I want to click record my screen, and then I want to select the next step. So this is very easy, just step for the to continue the process. So Yahoo, and then thank you. So this is the interface for the homepage of Komodo, like this one. And here you will see lots of video in your library. There are lots of video like for the guide. So if you want, you can watch all the video for learning purpose. I want to record new ones. So how can how can we do this? So simply just click here the record button, select the allow option. You will see the camera interface. Also here you will see the button for the start recording. So I want to click here, and after that you will see the option which window you want to scan a record, or which window you want to share. So I want to click enter screen, then I want to click share, then recording is will be start, but again you should permission for the microphone. I want to allow, then it's countdown for the recording, and this recording is started. Now I am recording for the Komodo, and I am recording from the Komodo screen recorder. I want to check it out how the recording is keep going. So, and after complete the process, just click here the recording of stop recording option, and after that you will see your video on your Komodo account. So needs some times for the final processing, and if you want, you can name it your video title. So I want to name it the title for the test. To save and continue. Okay, so this is my video. I want to play it. for the recording, and this recording is started. Now I am recording for the Komodo and I am recording from cool, right? I think
Also,
and to click here and you will see the interface for the video editing. So this part is really cool. Also there are a lot of things here you should research and use all the section. I think you love this, but if need you can easily upgrade your version. Thank you so much, and if you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. So tata.